right, the only thing you want to try to do at this stage
a little aggressive.
Is get him to go around the duck, not into the duck.
Right.
Yes,
So
girl.
you just direct him with the rake more?
Try to push him around to the back. Up, up, up. Close that mouth. All right. That's good. He's very interested.
That's enough.
Okay.
Just pick him up and let me put the other.
This one is done. That's your rule.
Well, we can try one at a time if you want. I don't think that.
This is the one that wouldn't.
Oh, this is the one that barked at him?
This is the one that wags its tail.
And he's not as... He doesn't seem to be as aggressive as Fighter.
No.
He's getting whacked in the head.
It took him a while yesterday, too, before he would do this. Remember, Julia?
You know, if you can use that to sort of push the ducks off the fence and get him to go between the fence and the ducks, that's perfect. Well, he'd be all right, I think. He certainly wants to work them.
And then there's this one over here who's like, I don't think so. Watch his tail.
Oh, he's peeing.
How are we going to tell the difference? I can't tell if she's heavy or far.
These two?
Yeah.
This one's bigger. I kind of like the way he's acting though, because he doesn't go in to scatter them. He kind of...
Well, he did it in the beginning. He's been on the ducks a couple more times.
okay.
And he did it in the beginning.
Definitely wants to keep them together, which is a good sign.
Yeah.
All right, he's done just what he needs to do. Pick him up and get him out of there.
Now bring him over here and let me video his face so that we can see who he is. Beep, 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 beep. Okay.
Pick him up.